Why the B-2 bomber is the most feared aircraft ever built. The most dangerous weapon on Earth isn't loud, isn't fast, and you never see it coming. The B-2 stealth bomber doesn't fight wars with speed, it fights with invisibility. Built using advanced radar-absorbing materials and a flying wing design, the B-2's radar signature is smaller than a bird. Enemy radar doesn't detect it, it ignores it. While air defenses wait for missiles, the B-2 is already over their capital. It can fly over 11,000 kilometers without refueling, strike any target on Earth, and return without being traced. But here's what makes it truly terrifying. The B-2 can carry both conventional and nuclear weapons, meaning a single aircraft can decide the fate of an entire nation. No warning sirens, no radar alerts, no second chance. This bomber doesn't threaten. It arrives silently, delivers precision destruction, and disappears back into the sky. That's why the B-2 isn't just a plane. It's fear, engineered into silence.